Having to move houses in the middle of a pandemic is basically the worst. But we found a new place to live. The old place was being sold, and with about 5 days left before our lease ran out, we found a new place. Now, I don't need to tell all of you how difficult things have been for the last year or so I won't. I will say, though, that for me at least, a few things are beginning to get a lot better. And so it seemed an appropriate time in this new house to do away with my, well, so-called protest beard, or at least as much of one as I'll ever be able to grow. And I figured since it's been almost 6 months since I put a video up, I might let y'all know that I'm not dead and give you something to watch. For those of you who are fortunate enough to not be in dire straits due to the everything, I highly suggest, if you don't already, consider supporting any artists you know. Especially those who rely on in-person events and performances. When eventually we're able to return to some version of normalcy, you'll want those people to still be around, so there's stuff to do. I've said before, I never want to be a person making my living off of YouTube, because that means I have to start doing ads. And I have no interest in that. If someone wants to send me equipment that I need and have me use it and have it appear in a video, and I say, oh, hey, look, there's a thing, that's a different story. And if you have equipment and would just love to give it to someone, please let me know. But as a result, when I have to prioritize things, these videos are not the top of the list. So should you care to see more of my work more often, I would certainly appreciate any support you could give me on my Patreon. But I know most of you are just here to see a cool video. So that's really all I have to say. I hope you and yours are doing well, and continue to do so. Take care of yourselves, folks. See you next time. If I was a smart man, I've gotten myself a mirror. Thank you. Missed quite a few spots there. Come on. Ah.
You also seem to have nicked yourself just a little bit.
I can't see.
Oh, so I have.